Welcome to the channel. It's a freaking beautiful day out. I'm in a sweaty shirt. It is a little bit chillier than the past couple days have been. We got the boys, we got the rods, we have the crystal clear river here. And I mean, we were down here ice fishing, but this is gonna be hopefully the first fish of the season. I don't like this. My GoPro's like wobbling on my stand. I might have to fix that. Plan on staying out here a little bit. So we have these lantern lights, so we can stay out here for a while. Like not overnight, but more of just until dark. But we're gonna put the lines in the water and we're gonna hopefully catch some fish. I'm probably gonna go down and get some shots of the water and stuff before I start fishing. So yeah, there's this really nice like waterfall, or not waterfall, but beaver dam, and the water is flowing over the beaver dam, which is really nice. Which I actually go check out the Instagram, and when we were ice fishing, I was down here, we were walking on the ice, and you could hear this under the ice, and it was really cool. So I might come and flick a couple lures up in this area. Don't think there's gonna be many fish, but I can't see any fish right now. I think there might be one there. Camera definitely won't pick it up, but we're gonna see if we can catch some fishies. So are you getting any bites yet?
Yeah, got a few.
Got a few.
Right out there. I'm gonna try casting little.
You don't really see that many fish. Like, I mean, I would suspect to see more fish, if you know what I mean. It's also really cool under this bridge. That bobber's moving a little bit there. So I'm hoping
Just a little fella.
even just something kind of nicking the bobber. YouTube turned our comments off because we're supposedly minors, so, which, hey, YouTube, you're doing your job, you're protecting minors. I really don't need that much protection, but yeah, if you guys want to ask us any questions, go to our Instagram, you can ask us questions over there. If you want to see another video on the cast net, let us know. I think we'll all be willing to do another video on the cast net. Oh yeah, right over there. See, that is, I don't know how well you guys can see that. I'll try and zoom here. Okay, zoom, oh, okay. You're right out there. You guys should be able to see the camera, or the bobber. I'm looking in a little tiny GoPro camera or screen right now, so I can't really see that well.
Got one. Yes. First catch.
First catch in 2021 out of this river. Duck that can't fly, I'm coming. I'll bring the GoPro too. Oh my lord.
Don't let it get on. Should we try and see if they take it back?
Yes. I don't know, under the water? Just set your line down. Oh, you did already? It's all the way over here. It dove again, so it's going towards the dam. Holy lot of fish up here. I don't know, I can't see him. He dove like right there. Catch him, catch him. He's up. He's diving again.
Let's see if he goes in the hand. Ah, yes, that tree.
Okay, guys, gotta go. Well, I guess I'm bringing the GoPro with me. Come on, GoPro, hurry. Oh, stupid bitch.
Grab his head.
Oh, wow. I got a boot full of water. Woo! My boot's full of water. Yeah. Well, I did it for you guys. That was a nut.
Are there fish in here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. I just saw a huge swarm of fish not that long ago. My boot is full of water. I don't know how well you guys can see, but oh, I just dove down there. Freaking rock. Brian's coming to get the duck, and I'm gonna try and get up here. Oh.
Hello to the camera.
Duck. That was probably very uncomfortable for you guys. And I don't know when I got you wet, but you're wet.
She's pretty tired.
Yeah, so she's been trying to fly and trying to get out of here for a while.
Yeah. Probably caught a stray bullet.
Yeah, so hey, we're saving a duck.
Yeah. Instead of small creek fishing.
Man, I got another. While I'm thinking of it, go sub to the second channel. It's just Wilderness Brothers' second channel. Go sub over there.
It's basically like
That
short.
where yeah, it's basically shorts, bloopers. Crashed my mini bike, put that in there. And that's definitely going on the bloopers channel. For sure that's going on the bloopers channel. My boot absorbed all the water so my foot doesn't feel wet anymore. I'm wet, and I knew it was gonna go over, but he started to swim away, so I was like, either full commit or no commit. And I had my phone in my pocket, so I wasn't gonna dive in. Okay, so we have what's its name? We need to name it.
I don't know.
Wilderness duck.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have wilderness duck. We have an adventure dog over there. I don't know how well you can see him, but we have an adventure dog. We have Ben, and we have Brian, and we have Brecken.
Yeah.
I'm soaked too. At least you have muck boots on. Hey, I'm in the one in cowboy boots. And you should go subscribe because I literally, we have a new mascot.
Yeah.
We have a new mascot and it's Fluffy. Okay. So we're gonna get right back into fishing. Let's go.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase night. Race all of these broken dreams in flight, and we'll fly. Oh, we'll fly.
Camera back, and so we probably are going to be wrapping up this video a lot faster than I would like to. It's going to be a shorter video, but yeah, we'll go back to the shop, put our rods away and stuff, but we're going to do a little bit more fishing, gather up our stuff. We completely forgot to do an outro there, so this is the outro. Instagram, link in bio, brother's channel, or not bio, but link in the description. There's a link to my Instagram. Go check out our second channel. I'm going to be uploading a blooper where we caught the duck, and I kind of jumped in the river a little bit there. But yeah, subscribe, like if you want to see us maybe get another duck or something. And that's like, if we see something that's like flightless, like that duck was, we'll go catch it. Like, I know I saved a bunch of bunnies that had gotten, their mom, I think, died, and I found their mom, and then I found their den, and there was all the bunnies, so I think I saved like 3 bunnies one time. So yeah, like if you want to see us maybe save another animal or something. When it comes into the summertime, we'll be doing a lot more outside stuff. We'll be pumping out the videos more, because like it's just spring right now. I know the last 2 weeks I had a video out. This will be week 3 of having a video out, but you know, you never know. There could be like me working on the farm like I do when we get into harvest or something. I might get a little bit backed up. So yeah, well, catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
I will fly.